Now that story was produced by Ivy Masharia and voiced by James Baraka. Now let's talk matters health. The Ministry of Health, through the ministry's Senior Programs Officer in the Division of Reproductive and Maternal Health, Mr. Martin Mburu, is developing advocacy messages targeting youths in Mombasa, Siaya, Garissa and Nairobi to improve access to sexual and reproductive health services. Dungo Paulin reports.
Martin Mburu, the Ministry of Health Seniors Program Officer in the Division of Reproductive and Maternal Health, has said that they are pretesting the key messages that seek to address key issues of sexual reproductive health. He added that young people contribute to almost 50% of HIV infections and teenage pregnancies, standing at 21% in Siaya County.
The purpose of us being here in this county, we are pretesting the key messages that are targeted to young people and the community at large.
According to Mburu, the ministry started to develop the messages early last year and are currently pretesting them in Siaya, Mombasa, Garissa, and Nairobi counties before they can be rolled out countrywide.
We started to develop these messages early 2023, that is around March, and we are targeting to pre-test in the 4 counties before we roll it out to the entire nation. That is Siaya County is the first one, then we'll move to Mombasa, go to Garissa, and eventually in Nairobi.
In a battle to curb the triple threat effect, that is sexual gender-based violence, HIV/AIDS, and teenage pregnancies, Gladys Kio, the Executive Director of African Gender and Media Initiative Trust, said that there is need to create awareness and a need to enhance a better communication.
One of the things that you might be aware of is that we have what is being called now the triple threat: HIV, GBV, and teen pregnancy. And actually it is now going to triple threat plus, because there's also that those 3 issues are also coming with their own challenges with regard to mental health.
Additionally, Mrs. Lona Nyandat, the Executive Director of a women's rights organization, Nyime Empowerment CBO, observed that the health-seeking behavior of young women has not been good, especially in Siaya County.
So we have noticed a gap where the health-seeking behavior of young women has not been very promising, and especially in Siaya County.
The messages are developed by the young people and duty bearers and is being targeted to policymakers, parents, and the youth cohorts. Ndongo Pauline,